Hello everyone, this is an espresso machine made by Gevi. This is the model number right here. It's a 20 bar high pressure espresso machine. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It is neatly packaged. It comes with a manual book that has color pictures and clear instructions. A portafilter for single and double shot espresso size, plastic spoon and tamper tool. I made sure to remove all protective plastic and tape. The drain pan has a red indicator built into it when it needs to be emptied out and rinsed. And another important step is to remove the red tab on the bottom of the water tank. So check it out, it's very nice looking. You have all the buttons up here, the power button, one shot or double shot button, and this is for the steamer. This is the control knob for the steam. So what we see is a great, beautiful, compact design of a very powerful espresso machine. It is 1,350 watt, and it does have this very nice portafilter handle. Steamer right here. We have a silicone tab right here. Comes with this instructions booklet, which shows how to use the espresso machine, and also maintenance tips and how to make a good espresso. This tank holds 1 liter of water. One thing you need to do when you get this machine is to set how many milliliters you want in one shot and how many milliliters in 2 shots. Instructions on page 22 on how to program for single shot and double shot. Overall, this is a great machine. It has a great appearance, 20 bar high pressure ODM pump, the single and double shots that are customizable to your preference, a precise temperature control, and overall it does a great job. The espresso tastes very real and very good, so I'm very happy with this espresso machine from Gevi. Good coffee.